Hello students, welcome to week 5 for COM 565. This week we are working on draft number 5, our discussion and conclusion. The video Office Hours with Dr. Guy episode 10 provides a lot of good information on what you should be doing with this particular section. Again, if you have not scheduled to meet with me in week 6 and you're a week 6 student, please reach out and do so immediately. It's important to know that at this point we are really wrapping up our papers. We're drafting our last section and we're putting the final touches on the first 4 drafts to submit our final draft in week 6. A number of students have reached out to submit their a draft version of their completed paper to me in week 6 prior to submitting their final draft, and that's completely acceptable. So please get in touch with me if that's something you'd like to do, because I do have some students already lined up to come in and meet with me and go line by line and page by page looking at your paper to prepare for your defense, which takes place on December 12th. As we look forward into week 6, since we are in week 5, just to highlight what we are doing, it's important to know that your paper is submitted, and it's important that you submit that. Your paper is submitted along with your presentation, which is on the 12th. So we are submitting our presentation, our paper in TaskStream. You will also have a link to submit it in Blackboard, so that way it's in 2 places in case you have some uploading errors. TaskStream is submitted for the university. They want the paper through that system. Submitting it to Blackboard is for me, for your grading. So please keep that in mind. In addition, it's important to know that we are really in the home stretch here. The course is going to be nearly over by the 12th of December, prior to the commissioning service and the hooding service and the commencement services. So it's important. This is going to be a critical time where we're going to be in constant contact with each other. So if you have any particular questions, let me know. At this point, your discussion tells me what you think about your findings and what you found out about it in third person, and your conclusion is just a really brief snapshot of how you're going to close the paper out to provide a conclusion for the students. If you have any questions, let me know. You will need to think ahead towards your presentation. That's going to be in next week's lecture. Other than that, I pray you all have a blessed week.